Guys, we have a situation here, see? It is why it's important to keep the kid sideways. As you guys can see, came from his nose, the milk. Okay? If he's sideways, he's gonna recover himself. I'm gonna keep it holding like this. You see, he didn't swallow anything, but came out of his nose. Okay, so now he calmed down. Now we're gonna clean his face. Just remember, he's already digesting the food. Okay, look at that. He's recovering. Don't get in panic. Don't lift him up immediately. Okay, that was a scenario that happened. That sometimes because they're getting choked. No, it's safe to have him like this. It is why you can't put him flat after he's feeding, because this is what can happen. He can throw up. In this situation, he had a reflux. It can happen for any kid, and this goes up to 7 months sometimes. And this is the safe position. You see, I didn't turn him immediately. It's ugly. Okay, it's really ugly to see when the milk's coming out from the nose. But once he's on the sideways, 45 degrees, he doesn't get choked. Okay, keep in mind about that. That was a good example for you guys to see that all the time when it happened is, don't get in panic. It's something that happened many times with me at the hospital, and keep him on the side. We're trying to recover. He's going to recover for himself. And then we're going to put him inside his basket. Now he's totally safe to put in the basket, but keep watching still for 10-15 more minutes, okay? So it's been already 10 minutes I have him in my lap, and after the incident that had reflux, 100%, I'm going to wait 10 more minutes and put him in the basket. And still going to be watching him. So now I'm going to turn him to the other side. He just burped again. 3 times. That's the first time that happened. You guys see? He's having reflux again. Look at that. Lift him up a little bit with your knees. Let him recover. He's gonna figure out that he's... Do not bring him up. After he recovers, yes. Okay, so. Okay, as he calms down, now we're gonna bring him up. Okay, so I'm gonna keep him again to that position. he's having colics again. Okay, there's no food, so that means don't give more food for the kid. As I said, it depends how big your kid is. Okay, so I know for sure because when you were at the hospital, he was doing 35 cc, which is really small bottle like this. 35 cc is equivalent to 1 ounce. So he stayed in the hospital for 5 days. After 5 days, a lot of things changed. So and then we turned to already 2 ounces because he was eating a lot already. And now we turned to 3 ounces. So it varies. You have to follow your kid when he's hungry or not, and the time he's sleeping. But obviously, when you eat 3 ounces, okay, it seems that he wants to eat more. But did you see they have reflux? It means more food to give for him right now because you think he's not full. He's full. He's just digesting and going towards his stomach. So that's when he starts getting full. So he's still in the process, and he's tossing food out and having reflux. And more food you give to him, more he's gonna throw up. It's gonna be worse. Okay. Today was a surprise because it seems to be following him at the hospital. It hasn't happened. So this is the thing that happened in the hospital already, that we were aware about it. That's what they told me, and it happened to me during the day. Okay, which was yesterday. So when it happened the first time, I got a little freak out. But after you switch him to the side, you see that it works in a different way. When it happened the first time, the reflux, I grabbed him immediately. And no, don't move the kid. Turn him on the side. Let him recover. He's gonna recover from himself. But don't let him flat. Flat is gonna go inner, and then he's gonna get choked, which is scary. So, but he's gonna recover him properly by himself. And for you to sleep okay when you put him in the basket, you have to make sure you burp him every often. Place him in the basket. Once you are secure, that you wait for 10 minutes. As now it's 4:40. So I started the feeding process at 3:45. So it's been almost 1 hour in this same thing. So I'm just waiting on him, watching him, because if you just feed the baby and put him down, there's a chance to happen what you guys saw, the reflux, and God forbid can happen, the kid chokes, because we're sleeping, you didn't see it, you didn't do the proper job to burp him or make sure he's okay right now, So as he have reflux twice, so I have to be extra careful with that. If your kid doesn't have reflux, it's just burping, but burp the kid and then place him on the side. But wait